Mi True Wireless Earphones Air 2 Pro with 12mm dynamic drivers launched. Mi True Wireless Earphones Air 2 Pro have been introduced as the latest audio product by Xiaomi. The Air 2 Pro TWS earbuds have been launched in China and they come with features like noise cancellation up to 35 decibels and up to 28 hours music playback with the charging case. The Mi True Wireless Earphones Air 2 Pro come with 12mm dynamic drivers and LCP liquid crystal composite diaphragm. The earbuds don an AirPods Pro-like design but come in a black color option. Mi True Wireless Earphones Air 2 Pro price, sale. The new Mi True Wireless Earphones Air 2 Pro are priced in China at 699 Chinese yuans, roughly 7,600 rupees. The earbuds are up for pre-orders from today, and will go on sale on mi.com on October 15th. They come in a single black color option. Mi True Wireless Earphones Air 2 Pro features. Coming to the specifications and features, the Mi True Wireless Earphones Air 2 Pro have 35 decibels hybrid active noise cancellation, 3 mics for better call quality, and a new transparent mode as well. There is 12mm LCP liquid crystal large dynamic coil for better sound quality and Grammy Master tuning for studio quality sound. Mi True Wireless Earphones Air 2 Pro offer up to 28 hours of music playback with the charging case. The company claims that the earbuds last for about 7 hours at one stretch with ANC turned off. They support wireless charging and can take about 1 hour to fully charge through wired charging. The operating distance is listed to be at 10 meters, and they are said to support Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. The new Mi True Wireless Earphones Air 2 Pro earbuds weigh only 60 grams and they support USB Type-C port for charging. Xiaomi notes that 10 minutes of wired charging can offer up to 90 minutes of music playback. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.